Hey y'all, how you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More. It is unboxing time. I got happy mail. I've had it for a few days, just haven't had time to open it. So I opened it. It's open, but I haven't looked in here. I won seeds and things. I don't know what's in here. It looks like some magazines from Cece's Texas Garden, on her birthday live. So I won these things, and I'm excited. I don't know what I can plant. There might be some fall things in here. We'll see. But let's check this out. Let me show you what I got. It's in this package. And let's see. Oh, I got a canning book. Now it's dark outside. It's dusk, and I'm sitting outside chilling. It's been a busy day, and I'm tired. So I'm relaxing out there on the porch. Got citronella going on, a few little lights, and well, yeah, I got some red wine. I need it. I want it. I don't need it. I want it. So, anywho, I got a canning book. Interesting. Oh, pickling and whatnot. Yes. Sweet. Pickling 101. Modern canning techniques, tips, and treats. I only took one sip of wine. Let me get this right. Readers or leaders? Tips and tricks to stay safe, and recipes. Sweet. What else we got? Take one out at a time. I got another book, The Complete Guide to Anti-Inflammation. Eat smarter, live longer. Yeah, I got a lot of inflammation going on in my leg. This is going to be interesting too. So I got reading material, y'all. Sweet. I need to know, I need to know. They say readers are leaders. Real simple life hacks. Secrets to an easier life. Make the most of your minutes organizing ideals from what? Pros? Best cleaning advice ever? Saving money simply. Thank you, Cece. Thank you. This is cool. Cool. Wow, is there another one? Peppa Pig. Hey, you thought about my Mimi. Did you think about my baby girl? Okay, I got a book for the baby. Sweet, she's going to love this, because Peppa Pig is one of her favorites. Thank you. That was so kind of you. So thoughtful. You're such a sweetheart. Oh, now we got seeds in here. It's dark. Can I see? I got some lights. What we got here? Iceberg lettuce. Won't be growing that yet. It's too late, right? I believe. Grow Zone 6, Michigan. Oh, I need that light. What is this? Peas, golden. Hold on, I can't see. The yellow wax beans, is that what that is? Cherokee. It's folded over and taped, y'all. I can't read it. I'll open it up. But anyway, they look like yellow wax beans. But obviously, that's not what it is. This girl done put some duct tape on here. Okay, Cece, how you expect me to read what it is? Cherokee. Lord Jesus. It's a bush bean. Let me peel this tape and see if I don't peel the... There we go. Wax, yep. Cherokee wax, yellow bush. Okay. Y'all can't see what they're like. Then we have French breakfast radish. Oh, that's interesting. French. Okay. Bon appetit. Breakfast radish. And then, what is this one? Yellow. Yellow and orange marigolds. Always can use those, most definitely. Thank you. Always. I'm going to collect the seeds from mine, too, if I get some flowers. I got a couple flowers coming up. Super mustard seeds. From her garden last year. Lasted a whole year. Okay. Super mustard seeds, sweet. I love all kinds of greens. Oh, lovely day. Oh, lovely day. And the last one, I think, microgreens, spicy. I have never had microgreens. Harvest in 10 days. Oh, you know I'm planting those. Yeah. I'm going to do some research. I'm going to do some research. I don't know nothing about them. Spicy. Is that what that says? See? That say spicy? I like spice. I like spice. Let me see if that's everything. It is. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm so glad I won. I love the reading material. And of course, I love all the seeds. Deuces. Y'all have a great day. And thank you, CC. Whoop, whoop. Let me get another sip. Guava. Guava, good people. Guava. We'll see you out there in them streets. Peace and love.